Hi everyone, I'm Steven, Product Marketing Manager at One Click LCA. I'm excited to introduce our new tool, Materials Compass. You probably know that we have a massive database of construction LCA data, the largest in the world. Certification or regulatory tools have data restrictions, but Materials Compass gives you access to all our data, regardless of the standard. This means you can have a wider range of sustainable products and make better choices for your projects. Let's look at Materials Compass, and after that I will briefly talk about our other tool called the Manufacturer Pages. Think of the Materials Compass as an online shop for building materials. Materials are organized into categories, and you can use the filters and different view options to find quickly what you need. So who do we make this for? Materials Compass is designed for a wide range of professionals involved in sustainable building. Sustainability consultants and LCA experts will save time and find the best materials with our access to our global database of 250,000 resources, and they can easily share and export material data to streamline their workflows. Designers and architects can compare environmental impacts of different options and integrate sustainability into their planning process from the start. Specifiers and buyers can create bill of materials for specification and procurement with an intuitive e-commerce-like user experience. And finally, engineers and construction managers can gain valuable insights into sustainable materials and understand market trends to make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. A really quick overview of the features, which I'll show you in a bit. An e-commerce-like browsing experience, the option to bookmark materials and create specification lists, comparing and benchmarking materials, downloading and saving data to your LCA projects, and options to share and collaborate. Another part of Materials Compass is what we call the Manufacturer Pages, and this offers valuable insights for various teams within your organization. Sustainability managers can publish all their EPDs in one central location, making it easy for your customers, your sales reps, and search engines to find them. New EPDs appear automatically, and it's simple to upload more. Plus, customers can easily save your EPDs to their lists and projects. Marketing managers can create sales leads from AEC professionals and promote their products contextually in the search results and category listings. They can also customize text and images to meet your brand guidelines and access data on global product views, listings, and specifications. Finally, your sales team can benchmark their products against the competition, analyze market trends and available options, and gain insights onto the products relative to key competitors. So a quick overview of these features available to manufacturers is the option to publish all your EPDs in one place. You can supplement product sustainability data and other types of documents. You can see the product demand and usage data, promote your products in the search results, get sales leads, and benchmark your products against others. You have two options for finding your materials. You can start by browsing the category view right on the main page, and this is perfect for exploring when you don't have specific criteria in mind. But if you need to be more precise, you can use the advanced filters to refine your search. Filter things like material type, country of origin, or manufacturer, and choose how you want to view your results. As thumbnails to get a quick visual overview, or in a list to see detailed information for each material, or on a map view to find materials based on their location. When you find a material you're interested in, you can dive deeper by viewing its description and technical characteristics. You can even download the original EPD published by the manufacturer. But let's be honest, EPDs can sometimes be difficult to decipher. They come in different formats, languages, and varying levels of details. And that's where Materials Compass shines. We take all that data, we digitize it, and present it in a clear and consistent format. This makes it easy to understand the environmental impact of a material, no matter where or how the EPD was originally published. Materials Compass offers several ways to organize and share your preferred materials. You can bookmark materials, just like saving a website link, to create a personal list for quick access later. You can also add materials to your company favorites, which creates a shared list of your preferred materials within your organization. When you then search and your materials match the favorited material, it will be highlighted in the search results, encouraging everybody to use the same high-quality options. Finally, you can create custom lists to organize materials for specific projects or purposes, and these features make it easy for you to save, share, and find the best materials for your needs. The materials that have been added to your list, you can also share with others. You can do this by, for example, inviting users to your list, and they can also contribute to it besides just viewing it, and they can also send material information over email to your colleagues. You can also import data directly into your LCA project. This initiates the standard import process, but remember that your target tool might have data restrictions. The software will typically alert you of these restrictions. Materials Compass also allows for a quick comparison for up to 5 materials. You will see key information such as the manufacturer, the global warming potential emissions, EPD program, and so on. We are looking into how more indicators can be compared in a useful manner in the future. Now let's dive into what we call the manufacturer pages and their related features. When I previously mentioned the benefits to manufacturers, I was referring to these elements shown. It's an option to show your brand to get it listed among leading manufacturers that are present on the One Click LCA platform. And it's also a great way to manage all your EPDs in one place. You can control how they appear on One Click LCA and in the Materials Compass, ensuring how they are accurately represented. We already include all publicly available EPDs from sources like program-operated websites, but with this feature, you can also add all your non-published EPDs, giving you complete control of your product information.